Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys like what fruits can regrow and what fruits can't on Grow a Garden. Well, plants basically. If I go to seeds here, you cannot regrow. Well, carrots can't regrow. Strawberry, they can regrow. Blueberry can. Orange can't. Tomato, they can regrow. Corn, they can. Daffodil, they cannot regrow. Watermelon, they cannot regrow. Pumpkin cannot regrow. Apple cannot. Wait, apple can, sorry. Bamboo, they cannot regrow. Coconut, they can regrow. Cactus, I'm not sure, I haven't gotten that yet. Dragon fruit, I think they can regrow. Mango can regrow. Grape can regrow. Mushroom cannot. Pepper, I'm not sure, and cacao, I'm not sure because I haven't gotten them yet. But the rest, they can regrow. And I think the most worth it plants are the ones that can regrow because a lot of them are expensive. Like the bamboo ones are honestly so expensive, but they cannot regrow. So just keep in mind when you are purchasing these seeds if they can, I guess, make you earn money. Like as you can see, these are all the plants that have regrown. If I took one of the bamboo out, it's just gone. Like there won't be any more plants to like regrow, but the rest they can regrow. So I think those are the most worth it plants for you to have on Grow a Garden. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!